Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Cash App payment failed for your protection. So guys, if you want to send money to others and you're facing the error like this, then it means you are going to send the huge amount. Okay guys, and if you are not going to send a huge amount and still you are facing the error like this, then it means your account is not verified or your friend's account is not verified. And the other thing is, guys, if you are going to send the money to a person first time, then maybe you're facing the error like this. Hey guys, if you are not going to send the money first time and still you are facing the error like this, then what you need to do, guys, just simply you have to close this page. Now, here are the reasons. So you have to open settings and you have to make sure that you are not connected with VPN. If you are connected with VPN, maybe you are facing the error like this. Okay guys, so you have to disconnect it. And the second thing is, guys, you have to go to date and time, and also make sure that your date and time is correct and your time zone is also correct, and then go back and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to force restart your device, because maybe it's glitch in your device, that's why Cash App is not working. Okay guys, and if the problem is still exists there, guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to wait some hours, because it's maybe glitch in your Cash App or Cash App source system, that's why you are facing the error like this. Okay guys, so you have to wait some hours, and after some hour try to send the money, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.